Welcome people and pets to Michigan Barn Nights. Today we got ourselves a 1998 Arctic Cat 300. She's a good workhorse, I'll give her that. She's pretty fun. I mean, for a utility quad. She works, I'll tell you that, for what it is. So, pretty much today our problem is, turn the key on. Nothing. So my battery is down here because there's all kinds of room up front. If anybody knows these Arctic Cats, it looks like there's no motor in them. I threw a big old deep cycle marine battery in there. It's been working great. Runs my plow, my winch, everything. So down here we have our battery delete. So I got 12 volts there. I had 12 volts at the battery. There's the starter solenoid. That has 12 volts. Down in here, which I'll tear down to in a minute, is the starter. Last I checked, that had 12 volts too. So, I recently ordered myself this fancy gizmo off of Amazon. Okay, so this is like the power probe, they call them, knockoff. A lot cheaper. So, this thing will diagnose all kinds of crazy stuff. It's got a little probe that comes in the back and some leads, and you hook it to the battery, and then we can see if we can get some things to maybe, I don't know, work. Okay, so I got her gutted out a little bit and I got this thing hooked up. Okay, so 12.3 volts. Okay, so that's the out. Okay, 12.4 volts. Out 0.2. .2. So I guess the next thing that I can think of to try is to hook up another battery. Maybe that one just has no cranking amps. So just stay tuned. I have another battery. Okay, so I found another battery. I back pulled my leads, hooked them up to this battery. See what we get. Same nothingness. So it's not a bad battery. Okay, so we've ruled that out. So I guess our next to tackle is this. So let's see what we come up with. Okay, this is kind of what I've come up with. I got my power that comes from my battery, the power that's supposed to go to the quad, but she's pretty nasty. But I think I'm going to try to clean all this stuff up and see if maybe this doesn't solve my problem. Hopefully. If not, I guess we're pulling out a starter. Okay, so I cleaned up all the connections, put them back together. Hook battery back up. Hopefully. Well, what I figured. Well, that was kind of promising. I don't know, I guess it's on that battery. The battery just might be kind of dead. So I guess we're going to switch back over to the stock-ish aftermarket battery that I know is charged because I got a trickle charger that was sitting on it in that plug right there all night, just chargulating. So we'll see what we got from there. Okay, so I got the old buzzer box here hooked to the old battery leader in there. Turn around, see what we get. She chooching good? Not really. Give her a little more up. Give her a little more bump. Alright, well, I guess we're pulling a starter. I guess you guys will learn something, I hope. Alright, pull the carb off. Find a spot where it won't leak, I guess. Leaking? No, I think we're good. Yep, make sure you drop the nut, that way it's hard to find. The can's half full. Come on. Whatever. So you gotta make sure you have your custom wore out blowgun that never stops blowing. Would you quit already? Of course, the more cancer spray you give it, the better it is. How much do you give it? Well, apparently half a can, because that's all it wants to come out. Stupid junk. Alright, now I know you can't see it. Down in here, there's 2 bolts. Way down in there. Looks like I'm gonna be able to pull from the fender well. Right there and right there are the 2 bolts for the starter. So we'll see if we can't get them out. Oh, they came loose. On. Gotta be a contortionist to get in here, you know. 2. A good solid pull. That's all it is to that, people and pets. She out, so I don't know. I might crack into it, but you know, a brand new one on Amazon is 40 bucks. I've already rebuilt this one once. I mean, what do you guys think? Nope, it's a Mitsuba. Mitsuba? Yeah. See that? Yeah. So, this will shove a rag in her. She got a commission until I get that fixture replaced. Oh, we'll see, it's these things. What's going on here? Well, something in there ain't right. 'Cause man, I touched her to the device and she spit off, so. She could. See if the rest of this cheap Walmart can of brake clean will work. Clean the rest of this thing off. That's some yummy stuff there. Remember right, these are super long. You know, like the whole length of the, yeah, whole length of the case. See nothing on that side, this green's on bad. This is the business side though, if I remember right. Oh, she's ugly. Yeah, there ain't much left making contact in that thing. She even smells pretty. I don't think there's any rebuilding it this time. Save the parts for the next one, I guess. I think that amateur's too much. Had her. Yup, I would say I got my dollar's worth out of that. It's got such a groove to her. Huh. Well, that's scrappy that goes. Well, I guess it just kind of wraps this up for now. I guess we'll shove her over in the corner of the barn until I can get me a new starter. Maybe we'll get in there with a putty knife and kind of clean some of that crud out of there. Nah, it's fine. So, yeah, I guess until next time, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Thanks. Bye.